Today I'm going to show you another simple VBA macro exercise, and this exercise is about loop through a range. I'm going to make each value uppercase or lowercase. If you notice in the data set, all the words under the column A are all in lower cases, and also in column B, region, also in lowercase, as well as the category column, and also the header and the sales is also in lowercase. So the aim of the exercise is for us to be able to convert the words in lowercase to uppercase, or vice versa, from uppercase to lowercase. So that's what we're going to do. And this is a long, huge list, so it will be difficult for us. It will take so much time in doing this manually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to automate it by creating the VBA macro and writing the VB codes in the VBA editor. So first off, I'm going to access the VBA editor, Alt plus F11. Okay, I'm going to insert the module 1, and I'm going to close this project explorer as well as the properties window. So I'm going to start writing the macro sub. I'm going to name it upper case range, right? And then the first variable would be dim cell as range. Enter. Then I'm gonna write another variable, dim words. Okay, open and close parentheses after the word words, then a string, then enter. Another variable is dim I. I'm gonna loop it, dim I as integer, then enter. Then another variable is dim output as string. Okay, sorry, spelling. And then I'm gonna loop it for each cell in range. Okay, the range would be A1 to D100. So that was a long list in Excel. So doing it manually will be a big problem for the concerned person who's doing the job or doing the task. Alright, so okay, I'm gonna write the if statement. If trim, okay, cell that value, okay, I'm gonna close it, not equal to blank, then words is equal to split. Okay, L case, okay, cell that value, and then double closing of parentheses, then okay, enter. I'm gonna write output equals blank. Okay, then another loop for I equals 0 to U-bound words inside the parentheses. Then another if statement. If I is less than number 2, then enter. words I equals case, and then left, and then words, okay, wrong spelling, okay, then I, then comma, then 1, 2 closing parenthesis, and then end, ampersand, mid, then words again, then I again, then number 2, then close, then I'm gonna end this F, end F, enter, then output equals output, and ampersand, words I, ampersand, then blank. Okay, then for the loop to happen, I'm gonna, okay, next I for I, then enter, then cell that value, okay, equals trim output, close, then for the other end, or rather the other F, NF, okay, NF, then next cell, then end sub. Okay, let's find out whether this thing is gonna work or not. Okay, I think we have no problems. Okay, this is just a short set of codes, VB codes. So I'm going back to Excel. Now I'm gonna open the macros, then I'm gonna run the uppercase range, run it. If you notice now it's lowercase, then I'm gonna run it. Now it's uppercase. Okay, how are you going, how are you making it back to lowercase? Okay, I'm gonna replace this U to L rather. Then I'm gonna go back to Excel, then I'm gonna go to macro and then run the macro. Now it's gone back to lowercase, but every time we're changing it, so we're changing or editing the we're editing this. Okay, I'm gonna edit it in again to U. So this is also hassle for us. Okay, going back to macro and run again. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the macros. Okay, I'm gonna copy the macros. So I'm gonna go back to BBA. So I'm gonna show the Project Explorer so that we can see the module 1. So here in module 1, I'm gonna copy this, okay, to module 2. So I'm gonna insert another module 2. So I'm gonna copy this, right click, then copy, then click module 2, then right click, then paste. So we got it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this to lowercase. Okay, the macro name, lowercase range, and then I'm gonna make this lowercase. Okay, I'm gonna change it to L. Okay, so we get module 1 for our uppercase, and then I got module 2 for our lowercase L here, the module 1 uppercase, then U case here. So let's go back. Then okay, we don't want to every time you open the macro then select uppercase or lowercase. We don't want to do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert a button here in form control button. I'm gonna put it in the middle right here. Okay, I'm gonna assign the uppercase first. Click OK. Then I'm gonna change the name of this button. I'm gonna say uppercase. Uppercase. Then I'm gonna copy this. Control C, Control V. Okay. Then I'm gonna change this to lower. Okay, lowercase. Then I'm gonna assign this lowercase. Okay, let me check if we have assigned this. Okay, assign macro, then uppercase. Okay, all right, we got 2 buttons, right? Okay, right now it's in uppercase, the words James Brown, West, CPU, microphone, webcam, category, the headers, all in uppercase. So I'm gonna make it lowercase. I'm just gonna click this. Now it's in lowercase, alright? And then I'm gonna click the uppercase. Okay, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, uppercase. Just split the second. You change it, and unlike if you are doing it manually, changing the like see this one, do it lowercase, do it lowercase, things like that. Okay, it would be difficult, right? So doing it writing the macro, creating the macro, and then also creating the button and then assign it with macro will be easy for you. This is an easy task for you. Okay, so I hope you implement this system in your own work, in your business. So thank you for watching, and see you again in the next one.